Drones, in simple terms, are flying devices that can be controlled remotely without a human pilot inside. Originally, they were mainly used by the military for missions where it would be too dangerous to send human pilots. But over time, as technology advanced and costs went down, drones became popular for a huge range of uses, from filming to delivering packages to scientific research. Here's a closer look at what makes a drone a drone. Generally, a drone has several main parts: a frame, propellers, motors, and a control system. The frame is the main structure holding everything together. Attached to it are the propellers, which lift and move the drone. The motors power these propellers, and there's usually a battery or some kind of power source on board. The control system is what allows you to steer or control the drone from the ground. You could think of it as a remote control for the sky. Drones use a technology called GPS to help them navigate and know where they are. This is the same GPS you have on your phone, but drones rely on it heavily to stay stable and follow routes, especially when they're programmed to fly to a specific place on their own. GPS allows drones to hover in place, and if they get lost, they can usually return to their starting point automatically. What really makes drones exciting, though, is how versatile they are. Imagine you're a photographer or filmmaker. You want to capture a sweeping view of a mountain range or the coastline. Before drones, you'd need a helicopter or a really tall tower to get these shots, which could be costly and inconvenient. Now, with a small, affordable drone, you can fly it up to get amazing aerial footage and control the camera angle however you want. And it's not just about photography. Drones are incredibly useful in industries like agriculture. Farmers can send drones to survey their fields and check on crops. The drone's camera can capture detailed images that show which areas of the field need water, fertilizer, or attention. This saves farmers time and helps them manage resources more efficiently, leading to better yields. In the field of delivery, companies like Amazon are exploring drones to transport packages quickly. Instead of waiting for a delivery truck, you could get your package dropped off by a drone within minutes. This isn't as common yet, mostly because of regulations and technical challenges. But it's something that companies are working toward. Drones can also deliver important medical supplies in areas that are hard to reach, like during natural disasters when roads are blocked. There are also some high-tech uses. In search and rescue, for example, drones can fly over large areas to look for missing people. Equipped with thermal cameras, they can detect heat signatures, which is especially useful at night or in challenging terrains like forests and mountains. Then, there's the future of drones in transportation and delivery, including things like drone taxis. Companies are developing larger drones that could carry people or heavier cargo. Imagine hopping into a drone that flies you over traffic to reach your destination in record time. It might sound like science fiction, but engineers are making serious progress in this direction. With all these benefits, though, there are also concerns. Privacy is a big one. Drones with cameras can capture footage of people and places without permission, which raises questions about how to protect privacy. There are also safety concerns. If a drone falls out of the sky, it could hurt someone or cause damage. And in busy airspace, drones have to be carefully managed so they don't collide with other aircraft. That's why there are laws and regulations around drones. In many places, you have to register your drone if it's above a certain size. You may also need a special permit to fly it in some areas, especially near airports or crowded places. These rules aim to make sure that drones are used safely and responsibly. So to sum it up, drones are incredibly advanced flying machines with tons of potential. They've gone from being a military tool to something that's changing photography, agriculture, delivery, and even search and rescue. With further advancements, we might see drones becoming an even bigger part of daily life. Maybe one day as common as cars or bicycles. But as they become more widespread, there will be a lot to figure out in terms of safety, regulations, and ethics.